Right, so this is the first question on the auxiliary views. If you look at the question, it says you're given the plane and the elevation of a cone and an auxiliary plane at 60 degrees. So this is the elevation, this is the plane of a cone, and this is the auxiliary plane which is drawn at 60 degrees. Now if you look at the question, it says you're required to draw the auxiliary plane or auxiliary plane of the cone in the given auxiliary plane, right? So first step here is we have to divide this circle into 12 equal parts. So to divide the circle into 12 equal parts, you have to take from here like that. You have to take the distance and you have to mark it both sides. Do that from all the four corners of the center line, and that's how you divide the circle into 12 equal parts. And also try to label all the points. Right, as you can see, I have already divided the circle. My labeling, this is 0 and that will be 0 the apex. This will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Next you are going to take all these points straight up to the base, and when you reach the base, from there you are going to join all the point to the apex at all. Right, so this is how you are going to take the points. You can just, one will be just there, that is your 1. Right, now your point 2 and 12 will be in a line. So when you make 2 and 12 in a line, that is 2, this is 12. From there you draw another straight line. Then you go to 3 and 11, that's in a line. So from there you draw another straight line. So in that manner you are going to get all the points here, and then from there you join it to on top. So I have taken all the points straight up on the base. So this is 1, this will be 2 and 12, 3 and 11, 4, 10, 5 and 9, this will be 6 and 8, and the last point there will be 7. So I have joined all the points to O. Right, so that is our first step. Now the next step, to get the auxiliary plane from the elevation, this is VP, vertical plane, so this means this is our elevation, this is HP, so this is our plane. Now to get the auxiliary plane, we have to take projections from the elevation. If we have to get auxiliary elevation, we have to take projections from the plane, right? So this is how you're going to take the projections from the elevation. You already have the auxiliary plane there, that is drawn at 60 degrees. Then you're going to take perpendicular like this, right? So this is 60 degrees, so all the distance has to be taken perpendicular to this. There's the perpendicular lines. Right, you might be facing little bit difficulties when you do it like this because of the edges of the book, so you can try some other ways. Let's say you can try it like this. Right, so you'll make this one in line, then you're going to slide on this one. Then after you have done that, you take this set square and place it here. So that is 90 degrees also to the given line, right? So you're going to take all the points starting from O first, then the points from the base, that is 1 to 12. 1, right, so I have taken all together 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 lines, 7 from the base and 1 from the apex. Now once you have done that, how to complete the auxiliary plane, this is what you're going to do. First we'll look at O, right? So O, we'll put our compass point on the reference line where it's written VP and HP. From that point we are going to take a line till O, that is O. Now we put it on that O, goes like this, we put it on this reference line, and mark, and this is our point O. Right, so that's our point O here. Now let's start with 1. 1 is there, so I'll put my compass point at the reference line, go to 1. Now 1 is same as 7 because they lie on the same line. So 1 is here, I'll put it here, that is 1, and the last number here 7, I'll put it there and mark it on 7. Now when I go to the next point, from here go to 2. 2 is same as 6, right? If you look here, that is 2, which is same as 6. So I'll put it on 2, mark, then I put it on 6 and mark. Now 2, we also have 12 there on top, that's 12. So on the same line I will mark 12, this side I will mark 8, because 2 is same as 6 and 12 is same as 8 when I take the distance. Next one is 3, which is down there, which is same as 5. So I'll put it on 3, I put it on 5. Now 3, we also have 11 on top, which is same as 9. So again 11 there and 9 here. The last points, we have 4 at the bottom, the middle line, and we have 10 right on top here, that is 10. Put it here and mark. Right, so you're going to join all the points lightly and you'll form something similar to an ellipse. Right, you're going to get something like this. That's the auxiliary view. Half of the circle will be dark and half will be hidden, right? And you make it dark like this. This is the second question in the worksheet. The solution I have already made it. I will briefly explain how this is solved. It is similar to what we have done in the first exercise. Right, so first of all, if you look at the question, it says you are given the incomplete plane and the elevation of a hexagonal pyramid and an auxiliary plane at 45 degrees. So I are required to complete the plane and draw the auxiliary plane of the hexagonal pyramid on the given auxiliary plane. Right, so first of all, you have to complete the plane. This was a hexagonal pyramid and the hexagonal pyramid has been truncated here. Right, as you can see, the hexagonal pyramid has been truncated here. So what you are supposed to do here, the points that are lying on here, 1, 2, 3 and 4, those are the points we are going to take it straight down to get the intersection on the lines that are joined to the center or to the apex. Right, so first we will start with the labeling. That's A, B, C, D, E and F. That's our point O. Point O will be there. This will be A, B, F, C, E and D. Right? So now let's complete the plane. This is what you have to do. You'll take your set square. From there you'll take vertical lines. That's how you take it, right? It should be like this to the reference line. That's your first point. You'll take and you'll get an intersection here. Then go to the next point, third point and the fourth point. So the first point is going to give us intersection here. Because this is A to 0 is this line. So the point of intersection is here. Now this one is B and F. So B to 0 is here, that's where it's intersecting. F to 0 is here, that's where it's intersecting. C and E, so E to 0 point intersection here, C20 here, and D20 is this one, intersection there, right? So that's where D, C, E, F and B, and that's your A. That's how you complete your sectional plan. You can label that as your sectional plan also. Now to get the auxiliary view here, what we can actually do, first step, it says you are supposed to make the auxiliary plane. So to get the auxiliary plane, we have to take the projection from the elevation. That's VP, right? That's our elevation. So you'll take it like this. That's the point there. Now we are going to take all the points first from the base. This is the base. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next we are going to take it from the cutting plane. So these are the cutting planes, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Those are the points there, 1, 3 and 4. And the last one will be from the apex. So that's the point from the apex. Right, so once you have done that, you're going to take the distance from there. Like this is your A. This hexagon, all the points will be marked from the lines you have taken from here, the base. So that's A, you'll put it here, that's your A there, mark on A, same point is for D, so D is there, mark on D, right? Likewise you will locate F, E, B and C, same manner, like this is F, which is same as E, so follow that, F is there, follow this one, E is there. Then when you go down, that's your B, so B there, and follow this one, and C there, right? E, F, A, B, C, D. Now we go to O. O is in the middle, so take the distance, we put and mark it on O. Right, so once you have marked it on O, what you simply have to do here, you are going to join all the points A, B, C, D, E and F to O. First we join those points. Now after joining the points, let's go to the cutting plane. A, the line that is coming, look at A to O, you'll get an intersection there. That's B and F, the line is coming this way. Point F is joined here, so intersection there. Point B is joined there, so intersection there. Then this one, you'll get two intersections here, and the last one, the intersection is there. That's one way you can do. Another way, you simply take from the inside sheet, like this is for A and D, you put it on A and you put it on D and mark. Then this is for F, you mark it on F, right? So whichever method you find it easy. And this is how your diagram should be outlined. You can, if you want, you can also show the hidden details. This will be hidden, that will be hidden, and this part will be hidden there. Right? Now let's look at the next question. Right, this is the third question on that worksheet. The elevation of a cube and an auxiliary plane at 60 degrees. Draw the plane of the cube 5 mm away from the VP. Draw the auxiliary elevation on the given auxiliary plane, right? So what it actually means here, this is the plane. Now as you can see, I have drawn my plane slightly below the reference line. The reason for that is the question here. You have to draw the plane of the cube 5 mm away from the BP. But as you can see here, I have measured 5 mm on the HP. So that is what you have to know. If it says 5 mm away from VP, you measure 5 mm on HP. If it says 5 mm away from HP, then you measure 5 mm on VP, right? So I'll measure 5, that's the distance 5 mm according to the question. I have taken all the points straight down, get a line here, then take one distance of the cube, can use my compass there. That's the distance you have to take the distance, you mark it here, right, and there, and you will get the plane. Now how to outline? When I plane means you look from the top. So when I look from the top, I will be able to see A, I will be able to see B, I will be able to see C. What I will not be able to see is D. So that one is hidden. So that's my plane. Auxiliary view, we are going to use the same method as before. Right, so you're going to take 90-degree projections. Right, that's like it's 90 degrees to the reference line. Then you use this edge. So you take 1, 2, 3, 4 points from there. Then you take 1, 2, 3, 4 points from there. Like here, there's the 4 points. There's the 4 points from there. So you take, right? All has to be parallel. Then the distance will be from here. So first point I'll take is A. There's the distance for A. So one A is here, another A is there. So I'll mark it like that. Next point is B, which is here. So B is here. You follow the correct line, okay? First you have A there, then D, B is here. So that's B. Another B is here. So that's B. So once you have located your first points, that's one part of the cube. That's another part of the cube. So you join these 4 points first, you join that 4 points first, then you try to join the sides, and that's how it's supposed to be outlined. Okay, let's look at the last question on the worksheet. It says the elevation of a square pyramid which has a base incline at 30 degrees to the HP and auxiliary plane at 45 degrees. You are required to draw the plane of the pyramid and also draw and label the auxiliary elevation on the given auxiliary plane. Right, so first of all, this is what you're going to do. See, this is a square pyramid. So what I'll do, I'll take 1, 2, 3, and this is the 4th lines straight down. From here, I'll take the distance till there. I'll put it on the reference line. I'll mark 1, 2. Then I'll take those lines across also. So this is going to give me point A. This one will give me point B and D. This will give C, and that one will give O. And that's how you outline the diagram. Right, so that is your plane. So you can just draw 3 mm guideline here and label that as your plane. Right. Now to draw the auxiliary elevation, since it says auxiliary elevation, this means we have to take the distance from the plane. So this is all taken at an angle of 90 degrees to the reference line or the auxiliary plane that is given there. Right? Something like this. Right, that's 90, so we're going to take, that's point B, then A, followed by C, D, and the last one is point O. Right? Then I'll take the distance A. A is my first line is B, second line is A, so that's where I'll put, I mark A. Now this one is B and D. First line is B and this line is D here. So I'll get those 2 points. Next C is on the reference line, so that's point C. From here I'll take it till O, and that is our point O. Right, so that's how you're going to outline. All these lines will be dark, join it to O, this inside part will be, and that is your auxiliary elevation.